Classic spaghetti and meatballs recipe. Spaghetti and meatballs is a timeless Italian dish loved by many around the world. In this recipe, we'll guide you through the steps to create delicious homemade meatballs and perfectly cooked spaghetti, all complemented by a flavorful tomato sauce. So, let's get started. Ingredients: for the meatballs: 1 pound, 450 g, ground beef, half a cup breadcrumbs, a quarter cup grated Parmesan cheese, a quarter cup chopped fresh parsley, 1 large egg, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. For the tomato sauce: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 can, 28 ounces/800 g, crushed tomatoes, 1 can, 14 ounces/400 g, tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, salt and pepper to taste. For serving: 1 pound, 450 g, spaghetti, grated Parmesan cheese, fresh basil leaves for garnish. Instructions: 1. Preparing the meatballs. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground beef, breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan cheese, chopped parsley, egg, minced garlic, dried oregano, salt, and black pepper. Mix the ingredients thoroughly, ensuring they are well combined. Shape the mixture into small meatballs, approximately 1 to 2 inches in diameter. 2. Cooking the tomato sauce. Heat the olive oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic to the pan, sautéing until they become translucent and fragrant. Pour in the crushed tomatoes and tomato sauce, stirring well to combine. Add the dried basil, dried oregano, sugar, salt, and pepper to the sauce. Allow the sauce to simmer over low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. 3. Cooking the meatballs. Heat a large skillet or frying pan over medium-high heat. Place the meatballs into the pan, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Cook the meatballs until they are browned on all sides, rotating them occasionally to ensure even cooking. Once cooked, transfer the meatballs to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess grease. 4. Cooking the spaghetti. Fill a large pot with water and bring it to a rolling boil. Add salt to the boiling water, then add the spaghetti. Cook the spaghetti according to the package instructions until it reaches the desired level of tenderness. Drain the spaghetti in a colander, shaking off any excess water. 5. Serving. Place a portion of cooked spaghetti on each plate. Ladle a generous amount of tomato sauce over the spaghetti. Arrange several meatballs on top of the sauce. Sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese over the dish. Garnish with fresh basil leaves. Enjoy your homemade spaghetti and meatballs. Serve it alongside a fresh salad and some garlic bread for a complete meal. Buon appetito! Note: the above recipe is a general guideline for making spaghetti and meatballs. Adjustments and variations can be made based on personal preferences and dietary restrictions.